Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to get fast delivery on Shein in 2025. Simple tips to get your order shipped quickly without hassle. First, when shopping on Shein, always choose the fastest shipping option available at the checkout. Shein usually offers standard shipping and expedited shipping. Go for expedited to speed things up. Next, place your order early in the day. Orders made before the cutoff time are processed faster and start shipping the same day. Make sure your shipping address is complete and accurate. Double check postal codes and apartment numbers to avoid delays. Use the Shein app instead of the website when ordering. The app sometimes offers exclusive fast shipping promotions or discount codes. If you're a frequent shopper, consider Shein's membership or loyalty programs. Members often get access to faster shipping options and exclusive deals. Once your order ships, track it closely through the Shein app or website so you can stay updated on delivery times. Lastly, avoid ordering during peak seasons like holiday or big sales, when shipping naturally slows down due to high demand. And that's it. Choose expected shipping, order daily, double check your address, use the app and track your package for fast delivery on Shein. If this helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop your comment below. Catch you in the next time.